In this video I'll show you how to change the navigation buttons on your Android phone. So go ahead and open up your phone settings, either by swiping down or clicking on the app icon. For me, my buttons option is inside the convenience tools. Yours may well be in the display settings, so find which one it's in. You could do that by searching in the search bar at the top. If I click on convenience tools, here you can see the navigation buttons. If I click on that, I've got the virtual buttons enabled, and here you can see the button layout that I've got selected. So the three lines on the left, home screen in the middle, back on the right. Or if I change it to that one, the back button will be on the bottom left, home screen in the middle, the three lines on the right. If you want to remove the buttons and pick gestures, where you swipe up from both sides, select that. However, as this video is about the buttons, select that and then pick your button layout. But yeah, that's how you change the buttons on an Android phone.